Hey guys, welcome back to 5 Star Reviews. Today I'm going to be talking about the Chainsaw Man Public Safety Saga, so let's go right into it. Now, I first heard about Chainsaw Man when the anime came out, and it really caught my attention. I thought it was really interesting stuff, and I've watched about 3 or 4 episodes. I had caught up on the anime before, the rest had started to come out, and I wanted to know more about the story, so I decided to read the manga, and I read all the way through. I'm actually caught up right now. I'm reading the chapters as they come out, but I read through the Public Safety Saga, which is like the first main portion of the story, which is what the anime is taking place within. So today I thought I'd just give you guys a quick rundown of my thoughts on Chainsaw Man, pros, cons, so on and so forth. So if you see me referencing another screen, it's going to be because I'm referencing some notes I took. So Chainsaw Man, I think, is really good. It's the first manga that I've caught all the way up to, so that clearly shows that while I'm not a big manga reader, I do think this has some quality if I'm willing to spend so much time reading it. I really liked the characters of the main group. I think Denji was obviously the star of the show here. His motivations in terms of, finding a family and just wanting to be normal, and his willingness to be taken advantage of means he can get basic things that he did not have before is a really interesting motivation. And the mix of like supernatural and just like honestly like having like a normal white collar job, if you can call it that, is pretty interesting. I think the characters of Power and I believe his name, yes, of course, Aki, are great compliments to Denji. Aki being sort of like the father figure, and Power being sort of like the sister that kind of completes his family that he always strove to have. I really liked the character of Makima. I thought her role in the story is super unique and interesting, and as more gets revealed as you read, it really makes Makima a super interesting character, and I realize like some people find her super interesting and they cosplay her and stand her online. Well, I now understand why. She's super cool. Besides that, the overarching, I guess, villains, antagonists, I don't want to get into, due to like spoilers and stuff. Super interesting stuff. I think the art design, especially in the manga, is super cool. And from what I did see of the anime, it looked like it was translated well. Going off of that, I think the art in the manga, while I did read this digitally, so it's not the full experience of reading it on paper, it still was really impressive stuff. He, it's not the cleanest art. I think that's due to how rapidly he puts stuff out. It doesn't allow him to really go into detail with the art. Regardless, it still looks good, and I think the designs are pretty cool for the monsters and characters and stuff like that. And I think that this is something that's paced really fast. So if you like fast-paced stuff, you're really gonna like this manga. You're really gonna like this saga. You can read through chapters really fast. You take the time to appreciate the art, but it's not something that's gonna take up a lot of your time. And then kind of playing off of that, I don't really binge anything, but the way he kind of leads each chapter off with something that catches your attention and makes you want to read the next chapter, it's a great way to keep a reader invested. I can only imagine how this was coming out week to week. People were probably theorizing all this, so I had the blessing of being able to read this whenever I wanted to because it had already concluded. The Public Safety Saga had already concluded, but it still made me want to sit down and read like 6 or 7 chapters in a day. I was super into it. And I think that this whole saga has a really, I don't want to say conclusion because I know there's more coming up, but I think you could probably just read this and be satisfied. I didn't actually even know there was more after this saga. I didn't know it like finished. Like this is something that you can kind of take out and just have. It's pretty cool. And I think that overall, this is something that I recommend if you're. One thing I will say is that it's darker. It's not a lighthearted thing. Yes, there's jokes and comedic elements, but there's some dark stuff too, in terms of imagery and just ideas. So this is not like for someone who's not really into that stuff. Very violent, a lot of violence. You really have to be, be open to violent imagery and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I really liked this saga. I thought the characters were really interesting. I thought the plot had a good mix of like, like you're in like an office job mixed with fighting monsters with a great overarching plot that really kept you invested. The characters played well into the main character Denji's, I guess, motivations. They kind of were great supporting characters to him and his goals. And then Makima is kind of this like figure outside of that initial group, but still has a lot of control, and you kind of learn more about her as the story goes on. It's super interesting, along with some great art that's not, not perfect, but unique, I will say. Unique character designs leads to something really good. It's really fast paced once again, so if you want more, I guess, exposition, this might not be for you. So, but with all that being said, I'm gonna have to give this like an 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10. I think it's really good. I think maybe slowing it down in certain parts to add more characterization would have been to the story's benefit, but other than that, I thought it was pretty great. With the art, made this something really enjoyable to read and look at. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. I'm excited for the next saga. I think it's called the University Saga or something like that. That should be super cool. And leave your thoughts down below, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of 5-Star Reviews. Thanks, guys. Goodbye. Have a good night.